Hi everyone, my name is Aazaria De Graff and today I'll be showing you on how to make a paper mache decorative vase with only a balloon, a cup, a bowl, some newspaper, some regular copy paper, some tape, some liquid glue, a spoon, and another bowl. Don't forget the tape and of course our multicolored highlighters. First, what you want to do here is you want to rip the newspaper into some small pieces, not too small, not too large. They can be of varying sizes, similar but not the same. Next, what you want to do is you want to grab a bowl with some water and mix that glue in there. It's going to be super watery and cloudy, but it will work. Next, you want to grab your other bowl, your medium-sized balloon, and a cup which I cut in half to fit the vase the way I wanted it to. As you can see, it's a little bit rough, but it will work. Trust the process. Now that you've assembled your basic shape for your vase, what you want to do is you want to tape it. But don't try to tape it all together, otherwise this will happen. Instead, you want to take your balloon and your half of cup and tape that together first, just like this. You want to tape inside the cup as well, just to make sure that it's really secure and it won't go anywhere. As you can see, I did it multiple times. Next, I turned my cup and balloon upside down and placed my bowl on top of it. It's way easier to tape it this way. Trust me. This is how it should look by the end. Now what you want to do is you want to take a stripped up pieces of newspaper, place them in the glue mixture and then apply them to the balloon. You can apply them in any direction you wish, just make sure that they all lie flat. There might be some bumps along the way, but hopefully those smooth out by the end. Okay, so boom, this is how you want it to look. Mine's a little rough, but you just want to make sure it's all covered in newspaper, and you want to repeat this step approximately 3 times with 2 hours in between to make sure each set dries. Now after we've coated the balloon with our newspaper 3 times, we want to strip up our white copy paper and repeat the steps. Put it in the glue water and then plaster the balloon with it, just like this. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Now that it's all white, it's time to decorate with our highlighters. You can put anything you want on it. I chose hearts and a little bit of butterflies, but you can decorate it however you choose. And y'all, please, please, please make sure that your balloon dries properly within each take so that it looks way smoother than this. Thank you for watching this video.